10 spa-worthy skincare rituals you must try. No oils, no tools, just results. If your skin feels tired, dry, or neglected, these simple at-home techniques will restore your glow and give you that spa-fresh look for free. Welcome to Repair Our Health, your sanctuary for natural beauty and powerful transformations. Tap like if skincare is your self-care, and subscribe for weekly rituals that work. Let's begin. Start your day with an ice cube massage infused with rose water or cucumber juice. As it glides over your skin, it constricts blood vessels, reducing puffiness and tightening pores. This simple ritual also stimulates circulation, giving your face an instant fresh and radiant look. Just 60 seconds a day can visibly lift and awaken tired skin. Facial steaming with herbs like chamomile, rosemary, and peppermint opens up pores, loosens blackheads, and increases product absorption. Add a few drops of dried herbs or essential infused tea bags into boiling water. Place a towel over your head and inhale the calming steam for 5 to 10 minutes. This deeply detoxifies your skin while calming your mind. Combine plain yogurt with rice flour for a gentle, effective mask. Yogurt contains lactic acid that hydrates and smooths the skin, while rice flour exfoliates and brightens. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse off to reveal a softer, more radiant complexion. Perfect for removing dullness and restoring skin texture after a long week. Hydrogel or jelly masks are a treat for dry, inflamed, or heat-stressed skin. These masks cling tightly to your face and seal in moisture more effectively than regular sheet masks. They often contain soothing ingredients like aloe, hyaluronic acid, and seaweed extract, leaving your skin plump, cool, and visibly calm after use. If you struggle with tired, puffy eyes, soak 2 cotton pads in chilled chamomile tea and lay them over your closed eyes. Chamomile contains anti-inflammatory properties that reduce swelling, brighten dark circles, and soothe irritation, especially after screen time or lack of sleep. Coconut milk is rich in healthy fats, vitamins C and E, and natural moisturizing compounds. Warm it slightly, soak a soft cloth, and gently pat your face. This softens rough patches, deeply nourishes dry skin, and gives your face a silky texture without feeling greasy. The neck area is often neglected, but reveals aging quickly. Blend fresh cucumber into a cooling paste and wrap it gently around your neck with gauze. Cucumber helps to hydrate and firm, reducing the appearance of crepey or sagging skin. Do this weekly for a more sculpted neckline. Epsom salt, rich in magnesium, detoxifies the skin and relieves tension. Just a teaspoon in your steam water draws out impurities and unclogs pores. It's ideal after a long day, especially when your skin feels congested or you're experiencing mild breakouts. Rosewater isn't just for your face. Mist it over your pillow before bed to enhance relaxation and let your skin soak in the benefits while you sleep. It's naturally anti-inflammatory and lightly astringent, helping to tone, soothe, and lightly hydrate skin overnight. Mix turmeric with a dab of yogurt to create an overnight spot treatment that calms breakouts. Turmeric's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help reduce redness and swelling, while yogurt moisturizes and balances. Use sparingly to avoid staining. Combine raw honey with fine sugar to create a natural exfoliator that also nourishes. Honey is antimicrobial and deeply hydrating, while sugar gently sloughs off dead skin cells. Massage in small circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Green tea is rich in catechins, powerful antioxidants, that protect the skin from damage and reduce inflammation. Brew a strong cup, let it cool, then use it as a final rinse or toner after cleansing. It tightens pores, reduces redness, and gives your skin a fresh, balanced finish. Don't toss that banana peel. The inside is rich in potassium, antioxidants and vitamins A and C. Gently rub the inner peel under your eyes to hydrate, reduce puffiness and brighten dark circles. It's especially effective when chilled first. Fermented rice water has been used for centuries in Asian beauty traditions. Soak uncooked rice in water for 24 hours, strain and store the liquid in a spray bottle. This mineral-rich water gently tones, tightens pores and improves skin clarity when used regularly as a facial mist. Papaya contains a natural enzyme called papain that helps dissolve dead skin cells. Apply mashed ripe papaya to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. It gently exfoliates, fades dark spots, and leaves your skin looking refreshed and luminous. Pour fresh aloe gel into ice cube trays and freeze. In the morning, glide a cube across your face to calm inflammation, tighten skin, and wake up tired features. Aloe is soothing, healing, and naturally firming, perfect before makeup or after sun exposure. Combine your skincare with meditation by gently pressing acupressure points on your face, like the temple's brow bone and jawline. As you breathe deeply, you'll stimulate circulation, release muscle tension, and promote lymphatic flow. This boosts skin vitality and calms your nervous system. Soak a soft towel in warm chamomile tea, then lay it across your face like a mask. The warmth helps open pores, while chamomile infuses the skin with anti-inflammatory and calming properties. Ideal for red, reactive, or stressed skin, this is pure relaxation and repair. From herbal steams and fruit facials to ice cubes and ancient teas, these rituals are proof that skincare doesn't need to be complicated or costly to be powerful. Small daily habits lead to lasting beauty. Which one are you excited to try first? We want to hear from you. Drop your favorite skincare trick below, or tell us which ritual you're adding to your routine tonight. Subscribe to Repair Our Health for natural skincare, self-healing rituals, and beauty from the inside out every single week. In our next video, we'll share more skincare routine to help your skin reset, renew, and heal while you sleep. Don't miss it. This video is for educational purposes only. Please consult a licensed skincare professional before introducing new techniques or ingredients into your routine.